So when I attach them, I roll out my little snake. And I usually cut my nails beforehand because I like the ones in the middle to be slightly bigger than the ones on the outside. But that's just personal preference. Okay. And then these two will be a little bit bigger. So when I attach these, I use the liquid clay. Just because they're such small pieces, I want to make sure that they attach well. So with this, I honestly just lay it sideways and then just dip my claws in. So I'm gonna roll it into the shape that I like, which is mostly just, it's kind of like a grain of rice, but one side is fatter than the other one. And this is gonna be the tip of your claw, and this part is gonna be the part that goes in the foot. So the part that goes in the foot, I'm gonna dip it into my liquid clay and just get a little bit. It only takes a tiny bit. And this is one of my bigger ones, so it's gonna go in the middle. And then you just stick it in, and I push it onto my foot. There you go. I got a claw.
Oh, cute.
And now I'll do the other ones a little bit faster. Got one more, and then we'll just texture the top of the foot and we should be good to go. One of the really nice pluses of the armature is that you can hold on to the armature while you're doing the foot. And that's one of the downsides to using wire, is I sculpt it straight onto my wire, and so it's a little bit more difficult to add claws to.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.